Coloring with Rutaba. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw hearts. So let's get begin.
Farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a camel, E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt grunt here and a grunt grunt there, here a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
I used red color to fill the hearts.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Pussycat, what did you do there? I was under her chair.
If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.